Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today we're going to be talking about this awesome product from ESR. ESR makes some of the absolute best iPhone accessories, and this is one of the coolest gadgets you're going to see. This is a 3-in-1 MagSafe compatible wireless charging station for your iPhone, for your AirPods, for your Apple Watch, and this one has a twist. Besides being a 3-in-1 charging station, the Apple Watch charger comes off, and look at that. You can take this with you. And you can plug it into any Type-C port and charge your Apple Watch on the go. Not only that, but they even think of everything. So this cap comes off, it's magnetic, and goes over that. So you have a cap to go on it when you're, if you're throwing it in your pocket to take with you or throwing it in your bag. And then when you want to put it on the charger, that cap just locks onto the back like that, and then it plugs into the back of this. And boom, now you've got your 3-in-1. Really, really cool. So let's talk about all the great features. That's sort of the biggest unique feature of this charging station. But the whole thing is just great. And ESR makes some of the best stuff. You can see right away the design. It's beautiful. That nice white finish, and then that cool aluminum bar. Here you've got your ESR HaloLock MagSafe technology. HaloLock just means they use some of the strongest magnets to make sure that if you're using your phone either without a case or with a MagSafe compatible or a HaloLock case, then it's going to stick on there with no problem at all. And it'll work in vertical mode or horizontal mode. Once you put your phone on there, your phone is going to stay, and it's going to be charging with the highest possible, fastest wireless charging to get your phone all charged up. Down here you have a key wireless charging pad that can be used for any AirPods that support wireless charging, as well as any other earbuds you might have. If you don't have AirPods, if you have another brand, as long as they support key wireless charging, which is the standard, then you can charge those here. And then on the back, again, you have that Apple Watch charger. You throw your watch on there, your watch is going to get charged. This is an Apple certified Apple Watch charger, so you know it's going to work, and you know it's going to work great. And then the fact that you can just pull it off, throw it in your bag or throw it in your pocket to take it with you so you can charge your watch on the go is a really cool bonus and a really excellent feature, because you're getting all the features you'd get in any 3-in-1 charger, and then you're also getting that portable Apple Watch charger, which is super cool. A couple of other features. This does have nice rubber feet on the bottom so that when you put it on your desk, your nightstand, it's not going to slide around, which is great. Back here on the back, you have a Type-C port, and they do include in the box the Type-C charging cord as well as the charger. And that's great, because you have to have a good charger in order to power a device like this. They include that in the box, so you don't have to worry about going and finding one separately. It's going to come with this product. Here on the front, you have this tiny little LED. I love it because it's enough to see it. It's an indicator when you first plug in or when you're charging a device. It'll light up, but it's very, very subtle, not bright at all. You will not see it or will not bother you even in pitch black dark at night. So if you're using this in the bedroom, no worries at all with that. Just a really excellent product from ESR. Like I said, all of their products are great. This is one of their newest innovations, and I absolutely love it. It looks good. It looks good sitting on my nightstand beside my bed. I can throw my phone on there. I can throw my LG earbuds on this charger to charge. I can throw my Apple Watch on there, have it all together, all charging all at once, and I can take this off and take it with me if I want to take it to work so that I can charge my Apple Watch at work, or if I'm on the go, I can take it with me, plug it into any Type-C port, and charge my watch that way. So really cool, excellent features, everything you could possibly want in a MagSafe compatible wireless charging station. You get it with this guy. So really excellent product by ESR. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about the product, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.